So I'm having this VBA course, which is for people who know VBA on converting the code into Python. I start with the basics of VBA and how to use VBA and how to automate its stuff in VBA for people who are using Excel, and then I talk about Python. This is intended for people who are using extensive Excel and they want to automate a lot of stuff and use the best practices in VBA while they want to migrate to Python. I have the two courses, VBA 101 and Python 101, separately that I take. The VBA 101 talks about how to use VBA to automate a lot of stuff in Excel that you would like to do. Python starts with basics of Python and then it splits into different courses. You could use it for data analytics, you can use it for machine learning, automation, web development, or any other thing that you want to do with that. But my VBA course focuses mostly on VBA. So I'm starting this course, which is VBA, Python, and SQL for Analytics, which focuses on the whole stack for VBA, Python, and SQL in terms of how to use it, when to use it, and how to work with all three of them at your job space. We have people working in different places, and we hopefully would make sure that you get the most out of it and you can perform better at your job.